Welcome to our educational video on petroleum engineering. In this video, we will explore what petroleum engineering is, the various career paths available in this field, and how this work impacts our daily lives. Petroleum engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the exploration, extraction, and production of oil and natural gas. In simpler terms, it's the field of study and work that figures out how to find oil and gas underground, how to drill wells to bring those resources to the surface, and how to produce them efficiently. It involves applying many different engineering principles, from geology to chemistry to physics, all aimed at developing new sources of petroleum and optimizing production from existing sources. Petroleum engineers play a crucial role in the energy industry. They design and implement plans for drilling and production, strive to maximize the output from oil and gas wells, and develop new techniques for efficient extraction. There are several key career paths within petroleum engineering, including drilling engineering, production engineering, and reservoir engineering. Drilling engineers are responsible for planning and overseeing the drilling of new wells. They figure out the safest and most cost-effective way to reach oil and gas deep beneath the earth, whether on land or offshore. Production engineers focus on the wells that are already drilled. They work on improving the flow of oil or gas from those wells and solving issues that might be limiting production. Their goal is to get as much resource out of the ground as possible in a safe and efficient manner. Reservoir engineers, on the other hand, use advanced techniques and computer modeling to study underground reservoirs of oil and gas. They estimate how much oil or gas a reservoir contains and plan how to extract it in the best way. Reservoir engineers decide on strategies like where to place wells and how to manage pressure in the reservoir to get the most out of it. Petroleum engineering has a significant impact on our daily lives. Petroleum engineers help ensure a reliable supply of oil and natural gas, which in turn provides fuel for our transportation, heats our homes, and even generates electricity. Essentially, without petroleum engineers, we would struggle to access the energy resources that modern society runs on. Additionally, many products we use, plastics, pharmaceuticals, and synthetic materials, are derived from oil and gas. This means petroleum engineers contribute not just to energy, but to many aspects of the products and conveniences we take for granted every day. Another important part of a petroleum engineer's job today is developing new technologies and methods to make oil and gas production more efficient and environmentally friendly. The industry is constantly evolving, and engineers are at the forefront of that progress. For example, petroleum engineers work on techniques to reduce the environmental impact of drilling and production, such as improving methods to prevent oil spills, capturing carbon emissions, and using water and other resources more sustainably. They also innovate ways to increase the efficiency of extraction and refining processes, getting more energy out with less waste. All these efforts help balance our energy needs with environmental responsibility. If you're interested in this career path, what does it take to get there? Typically, you would start by earning a bachelor's degree in petroleum engineering or a related field of engineering, such as mechanical or chemical engineering, since these provide a strong foundation as well. During college, gaining some practical experience through internships or co-op programs with oil and gas companies can be very helpful. After obtaining your degree, the next step is usually to work in the industry for a few years to build up your experience. Entry-level petroleum engineers often start as trainees or junior engineers on drilling sites or in offices analyzing data. Over time, with hands-on experience, you'll take on more responsibilities. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest technologies and techniques in the field. The tools and methods in petroleum engineering today might be quite different a decade from now. Some engineers even pursue a master's degree or specialized training later on, but that's optional. The key is a strong educational background in engineering, a willingness to continually learn new tools/technologies, and real-world experience in the industry. Thank you for watching our educational video on petroleum engineering. We hope you now have a better understanding of what this field entails, the different paths a petroleum engineer can take, and the impact these engineers